Sarve Jana Sukhna Bhavantu. Hi friends, this is your Dr. BAPUJI PULLEPU alias Dr. BP. See, nature of the quadratic form is what? Same story. Taking any quadratic, that is what? Quadratic form, that will by reduction, orthogonal reduction, you will get canonical form. From there you can decide. So canonical form is what? The only get in diagonals, eigenvalue stands. So dependent eigenvalues I can discuss here. Suppose take eigenvalues are lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, so on, lambda n. Then they will write first positive definite. Positive definite means what? All eigenvalues are positive. Spelling name. All eigenvalues are positive. Then negative definite. Negative definite means what? All eigenvalues are negative. Semi-positive definite. Semi-positive definite. At least one eigenvalue 0 remain are positive. So semi-positive definite means what? At least one eigenvalue 0, remaining all are positive. There is negative, 0 and positive. Semi-negative means what? At least one eigenvalue negative, one eigenvalue 0 remain are negative. Indefinite means what? If all cases fails means what? We can say indefinite. If above all cases are fails means what? Positive, negative or 0, positive, negative, all means what? All above cases are fails. These are fails. Above all cases. So in positive definite means what? All eigenvalues are positive. Negative definite means what? All eigenvalues are negative. Semi-positive means what? At least one eigenvalue 0, remain all are positive. Semi-negative means what? At least one eigenvalue is negative. At least one eigenvalue is 0, remain all are negative. Indefinite means what? If anything above all fail means you can say this is the nature of the quadratic form. See, without expanding quadratic reduction, orthogonal reduction, we can find actually that's method D1, D2, D3. One or two problems we do, then wind up. This I hope by next video we complete this whole unit matrices for the engineering first semester level. Thank you for watching our channel. Kindly share and subscribe. Be part of our service. Bye.